Hey guys, welcome back with another video. I just woke up. Yeah, my head hurts. I don't even know why I'm making this video, but I don't know what to show you. Oh yeah, it's another Nerf gun. Well, it's not really a Nerf gun, but okay. I showed you this. I'm making a video. I made 6 videos now. Shakira liked one of my videos, but nobody viewed them. I forgot how you put this on here. Oh yeah, guys, I put it together. Maybe that's it. Hold on. I'm not naked. I have shorts on. I always do that. It's this. This is how it goes. I can't I have to do this. Like that. My dad he goes his hand always just like this. But every time I do this. Well, it's too early for that joke.
It's my gut, and it's telling me something. What's it telling you, bro? It's telling me that I'm on to something. And that means it's time to get
And I'm gonna end the video right now. Peace.